If your Google profile hasn't been touched in weeks, if your website hasn't been updated in months, if your reviews come in bursts instead of a consistent drip, then Google assumes you're not the best option anymore. Hello, shop owners. Brad Hurlock here, host of the Garage Grit podcast and co-founder of AA Shop Marketing, a digital marketing company for auto repair shop. If your auto repair shop marketing feels great one week and dead the next, then pay attention. Here's the hard truth. Most digital marketing for auto repair shops fail because it's treated like a one-time setup. Someone builds a website, someone sets up the Google profile, and then maybe you've ran ads for a month and then nothing. Marketing doesn't break all at once. It slowly stops working when no one's paying attention. So Google doesn't reward businesses that exist. Google rewards businesses that are active. If your Google profile hasn't been touched in weeks, if your website hasn't been updated in months, if your reviews come in bursts instead of a consistent drip, then Google assumes you're not the best option anymore. What about your competitors? They don't have to be better than you. They just have to be more consistent online than you. If you're managing your own auto repair shop marketing, then start here. You ready? 15 minutes. Spend 15 minutes every week on your Google business profile. Be posting real photos from your shop. Reply to every review. And by the way, stop chasing shiny new tactics every 30 days. Boring? Yes. Effective? Absolutely. And if you're realizing you don't want to manage this every week, that's normal. That's exactly what we do here at AA Shop Marketing. Grab a free custom next step for your shop. Worst case, you're going to get some clarity. Best case, your bays are going to stop riding the everlasting roller coaster. I'm Brad Hurlock, co-founder of AA Shop Marketing, host of the Garage Grit podcast, and this is the Marketing Insight Series. Now remember, auto repair shop digital marketing isn't about buying another service. It's about making sure that the right things get done consistently. Local SEO, your website, your Google business profile, reviews, citations, local service ads, social media, AI visibility. They all matter. The question isn't whether or not you should actually pay attention in doing these things. It's how much does your shop need right now in which pieces? That's digital marketing management. That's AA Shop Marketing. And thank you for joining me on another Marketing Insight episode. If this has helped you, then like, comment, and subscribe for more practical auto repair shop marketing insights every single week.